Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Robert Mellberg of SatCUBE. Robert, thank you for joining me. Now tell me a little bit more about SatCUBE because you haven't been in the market for that long.
Yeah, it's interesting days right now because now we are in the market with the SatCUBE terminal. It's a lightweight KU terminal designed for high throughput satellites, but also works perfectly well on wide beam satellites.
Now, I can see the product sitting there in front of us on the stand. It's a very interesting product, but what interest have you had from organisations?
Well, we see that everyone is looking for modern products that are easy to understand, where you don't have to have so much expertise in SATCOM or other kind of complex products. So the goal for the product team is to make like a smartphone type of SATCOM product with the SatCUBE terminal.
Now, looking at the product, it seems like it's ideal for first responders. What's the interest been?
Well, what we see right now with the climate change is that we have catastrophes all over the world, and they are increasing. And we know it's critical for the teams going in the first 48 hours. And they want to land and, of course, establish communication as soon as possible to be able to help out in an efficient way. So we see that many organizations right now are telling us that we would like to have a global solution. That's what they want, because they never know where the next accident happened. So right now we're working very closely to put this on Intelsat 1 Flex, and that means that we can cover approximately 80–85% of the land area over the world.
Now, you've developed this product. Are you actually manufacturing it yourself?
We are. We are doing such an unmodern thing as running an industrial company in the Western Europe. So we are producing in Sweden with Swedish personnel. And so that's kind of we see that it's efficient for us to do it in Sweden and keep control over quality and how we can be close to our clients and their needs. And also to change things very fast if we have to develop new things. So we are not kind of thinking of outsourcing this to Asia or something like that, not at the moment.
Now, innovation is key to a company expanding. How do you keep going? How do you keep on innovating? How do you get the ideas to keep on moving this forward?
I think this is back to Jacob, the founder of the company, because he's been living in this industry for many years. It's his interest, his personal interest. And of course we're looking into the KU development and the KA, and also about the new LEO constellations. But what we see, and the challenge for the product team is always to see how can we make it very easy for people to use. So we see that is what we can tap a lot of interest from lots of corporations and organizations, that it has to be kind of as I said, a smartphone solution. That's what we're looking at all the time, making it easy to use it.
Now, as the company moves forwards, what's the next big arena that you're looking at?
I mean, this year, from a market perspective, it's the US. We are working in. We have 13 resellers around the world, and we are working a lot in Europe and in Asia. But we see that it's very important for us to be successful in the US the coming year. This is the most important market for us.
Well, Robert, we wish you all the luck in the future. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you so much.